Hey, here's a portable blender by Room to Room selling for $10 at Five Below. The box contains a small portable blender and a USB cable for charging. First, the blender needs to be charged. While charging, the light on the blender will start off red. Once fully charged, the light will turn blue. Okay, now it's time to test the blender out. Let's see how it does with some chopped strawberries. The blender's blades are having a difficult time turning. I sliced the strawberries some more. Maybe it will work better if the fruit is smaller. Nope, the blades did not break down the strawberries. I used a regular blender to puree the rest of the strawberries. Next, let's see if the blender can make a smoothie with some yogurt and pureed strawberries. The blender really struggled. Only the bottom half blended. Had to help it out by stirring. So the Room to Room portable blender did not blend well with anything solid or creamy, but is excellent with anything that is only liquid.